Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Delta Executor Mobile. This powerful tool allows you to enhance your Roblox experience by running custom scripts. Getting started involves a few simple steps, beginning with understanding what Delta Executor is and preparing your device. We'll walk you through enabling necessary settings and ensuring your mobile device is ready for the installation process, making it straightforward and easy to follow. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Once your device is prepared, the next step is downloading and installing the Delta Executor. Always download from the official source to ensure you get a legitimate and safe version. After the download is complete, simply tap the file to install. You might see a few permission requests. Accept these to proceed. The entire installation process is quite quick, typically finishing in under 60 seconds, getting you closer to unlocking new possibilities within Roblox. With Delta Executor installed, you'll need to retrieve a key. This key acts as your access pass, ensuring secure usage. The application will guide you through a simple process, usually involving a quick visit to a website to complete a few verification steps. Once you have your unique key, paste it into the Executor. Now, you're ready to input your favorite Roblox scripts into the provided text area and execute them, transforming your gameplay experience. Beyond basic execution, Delta Executor offers several advanced features. You can save your frequently used scripts, set them to auto-execute, and browse a convenient script hub. Remember, responsible usage is paramount. Always be mindful of Roblox's rules to protect your account. Furthermore, keeping your Delta Executor updated is crucial. Updates ensure compatibility with Roblox's frequent changes and provide you with the latest features and security improvements, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience for the long term.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.